How to quickly unlock temporarily locked Snapchat account. So if you want to quickly unlock temporarily locked Snapchat account, then first open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'll be here with Chrome browser. Go for the search and search for Snapchat support. Once you've searched, go for the first search, which is help.snapchat.com. And here go for my account is compromised. And after that, it will take you to the submit a request page where you need to choose the option which is I can't access my account, and then scroll down and go for my account is locked, which is on the second option. Tap on my account is locked, and once you tap on that, scroll down, and here you will get this kind of interface where you can enter your username of your Snapchat account and the email address of your Snapchat account which you have used while creating your account, and you need to enter your mobile number and the description. So under the description you need to write that hi Snapchat team, I think my account has been logged, but I have not violated any community guidelines, so please help me with unlocking my account. And you need to enter your account username, and then you need to tap on submit, which is here on the middle of your screen. And once you've submitted, within 12 hours or 48 hours you will get a response from the Snapchat support and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can unlock the temporarily locked Snapchat account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.